How do I use the lighting scenes? Lighting scenes are an easy way to control multiple lights at the same time. To set the mood for our movie, we want to adjust the lights in the living room. Tap Lights to see all of the lights and ceiling fans in that room, along with their current levels. Tap Scenes to see all of the lighting scenes that include the lights in that room. My system has a scene for Welcome to turn the lights on when I get home, and Leaving to turn off all the lights. The indicator for Welcome is lit up, telling us the Welcome scene is active. The lights in the house are on. We were going to watch a movie. Tap Movie to execute that lighting scene. Notice that Welcome is no longer active, and now Movie is active. The filter at the bottom indicates that we only see the scenes for this room. You can tap the filter icon, the circle with 3 lines, to show only the scenes that are active, and tap All to see all active scenes in the whole house. For the scenes that you use the most, you could tap and hold to favorite them to the room for easier access. And that's how to use lighting scenes.